Hello. I just wanted to take a quick little minute here to show you one of the little houses I've been working on. This is a house from Dwellings in History on Etsy. These houses are usually sold completely assembled, but I put in a special request to see if I can get some unassembled and put them together as sort of a puzzle kit. This is the first one. It's house number 1 in their lineup. It's gone together very nicely. The laser cuts are very precise and well done. The wood it's cut from is high quality. Everything's going together really well. Here's the customizations I've done so far. I've only lightly glued it together with a little bit of PVA just so it stays a little bit flexible, because there's no instructions or anything, because the houses are usually sold fully assembled. So I put it together lightly first. First I taped it together to look for the fit and to figure out where the parts were. They did kindly number a lot of the joints that go together for me to give me a little head start on it. But even without full detailed instructions, it's gone together very, very nicely. I'm working on the chimney now, which I'll paint. The chimney's already etched for the stone on 2 sides, but I wanted it finished on the edges as well. I don't know if I can focus in on this or not with this camera. The edges are the layers of wood stay together, so I just cut some little pieces of watercolor paper and glued them on, and I've primed them so I'll be able to paint the entire chimney, and the edges will look stone like they go with it as well. There's also a fireplace on the inside. I've added a door. It doesn't come with an inside door, since the houses are mostly set up to display from the outside, but there's an opening in the side wing and there's an opening in the back, so you can finish the insides. And once you get going with them, it's probably easier to finish the insides before assembling, but I wanted to just put this one together to see how it was going to go. Honestly, I started out with a clean workspace, but it only takes me a couple hours to end up with it like this. I'm a messy worker, and before I start the next one, I'll have to clear it all out and start over. Anyway, I created the inside door with just a scrap of, actually it was a piece of tongue depressor wood, and I cut it and filed it down to create the door, and I cut the hole out of the center to match up with the window that's already in the outside. And I will do some finish work to the outside door. I added windows because I think maybe I'll, at least to start out with, before I finish it, I'll probably add a couple of the electric flickering key lights on the inside or something. So I took clear acetate and I sprayed it with a little bit of matte acrylic spray to give it a frosted appearance. I glued them on the inside, from the inside, and created little cardstock frames around them just to blend it in better. So that's where I am so far with this little house. It's been a pleasure to put together so far, and I'll update when I get more of it done. I got roof parts over here that I need to work on, and the floor needs to be installed. And I will check in when I get more of it done. Thank you.